Uses of water. Hello kids. Water is very important in our daily life. We drink it to stay healthy, use it for bathing, cooking, and even watering plants. Animals also need water to live. Let's explore the many ways we use water every day. Drinking. We drink water to stay healthy. Bathing. We use water to clean ourselves. Cooking. Water is needed to cook food. Washing hands. We wash our hands with water to stay clean. Watering plants. Plants need water to grow and stay healthy. Brushing teeth. We use water to rinse our mouths and brush our teeth. Cleaning clothes. Water is used to wash clothes and keep them clean. Washing dishes. We use water to clean plates, cups, and utensils. Swimming. People swim in water in pools, rivers, or oceans. Drinking for animals. Animals drink water to stay alive and healthy. Filling water bottles. We fill water bottles to drink throughout the day. Cleaning the house. We use water to clean floors, windows, and surfaces. Making ice cream. Water is used to make ice cream and frozen treats. Making juice. Water is mixed with fruits to make refreshing juice. Making tea or coffee. We use water to prepare hot drinks like tea and coffee. Showering. Water is used for a quick cleanup in the shower. Fishing. Fish live in water, and people fish in lakes or oceans. Cooking rice. Water is used to cook rice and other foods. Cooling down. Water helps us stay cool on hot days, through fans, coolers,